All right, family, back with you again for another broadcast of My Humble Opinion, MHO podcast, where I share my views and opinions about current situations based on my business lens. So I look at things sometimes through the lens of business and leadership. Now, when it comes to business and leadership, it's critical. You have to have a plan and you have to do everything in your power to implement that plan. That's what we saw when it comes to the Eagles winning. They were hungry. You could tell they were hungry. They wanted it more. They came in with a chip on their shoulder. They came in to prove the naysayers wrong. Let that be your fuel in 2025 to prove the haters wrong. You got to grind because there are people out there who are counting you out, but never count yourself out. So if others are counting you out, you got to make sure you don't count yourself out. It's bad when you come into agreement with those who are aligned against you and say, "Yeah, you know what? They're right. Maybe I don't got it. Maybe it's over for me. Maybe I'll never win. Maybe I'll never succeed." No, you got to tell yourself that I'm going to give it everything I have. I'm betting everything on me. So, family, I just want to encourage you today. Go out, get it, win, push, pull, whatever it is, whatever it takes. You have to do whatever it takes to make sure that you give yourself an advantage to succeed. Because there are people who are counting you out. There are people who are rooting against you. And sometimes you have to silence that voice on the outside and say, whatever you say, it doesn't even matter. It's what I say. I believe I can do this. I believe I can be successful. I believe I can win. Let's go and win, family. Fly, Eagles, fly. Talk to y'all later on. Peace and blessings.